Welcome, everyone. Here's Corey from the Time for Empathy and Empathic Way Europe team. And I'm here with Sarah. And I want to introduce you to Sarah. Maybe you have seen her already last year in Time for Empathy or somewhere else. You're very active, I guess. So maybe people know you already. And for those who don't know Sarah, she's an NVC trainer and coach, and you also make a lot of retreats, intensive retreats, I see. And yes, for nonviolent communication, and very active. And I already had the pleasure and the honor to host Sarah and also your partner Nick last year in a workshop that was it was about the different parts in you, I remember. And I want to know more about you and also tell why are you doing the work that you do, and what is your driving force in what you do, and share.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's quite a big question, actually. I feel really motivated to support people on sort of a journey of getting empowered to kind of one of our main courses, our 12-week courses, is called Coming Home to Yourself, and that for me really kind of says what it's about for me. It's beginning to start seeing yourself, becoming aware of yourself, learning to navigate your inner world and meet yourself with compassion. I guess that's why we're called Compassionate Self. To meet all parts of you and to begin to understand the kind of contractions that are there sometimes in life, and how to meet those and begin on the one hand healing some of that. So we work with internal family systems, and we combine that with nonviolent communication, as well as mindful awareness practices, as a way to, through these three modalities or arenas, begin figuring out kind of how to respond to the world, how to welcome myself into this life, and how to understand myself better, and from there meet the people around me with empathy and compassion. So that in a nutshell, it's kind of, we found these elements to really work well together to support people on their journey of inner transformation and evolution. Sounds a bit vague in some way. I mean, those are quite vague terms, right?
Yes.
But working with some of the patterns that come up in us, and where we might be a bit reactive towards our partner or our children or our colleagues, and beginning to figure out what that's all about, where that comes from, and how I can start shifting my conversations to be a lot more fulfilling and authentic. And
it all starts with as you're sharing, and as you're saying, coming home and understanding more what's going on, right?
Getting a better understanding of, why am I doing this? What is it for me that's so painful here? What is that vulnerability about inside me, and can I meet that? What are parts of me that are protective patterns that help me navigate and survive in this world? And where am I in survival mode, in a way, making it through my day, maybe noticing I feel a bit shy or nervous to talk to people at a party, or noticing that there's certain habits where I just feel tired and overwhelmed, and what I do is I switch on Netflix or scroll through Facebook and try and distract myself from what I'm really feeling, and what's really going on underneath that, and where can I create more choice and awareness for myself in life.
I like it so much to find those golden nuggets, like in the small things that you maybe sometimes even are not that aware of, and to get aware of, and then it gets really more juice into life also. Yes.
Yeah, it's so enriching.
Yes, it is.
The more I begin to form this friendship and bond with myself and feel at home in me and in the world, the more easy and joyful every day becomes. So yeah, that's really a big deal for me. And that's what I enjoy, journeying with people as they begin to discover and explore themselves and learn to really take time for themselves and who they are and what's going on, and start feeling more freedom and in being. Yes.
And that's also what you propose, right, for Time for Empathy. There's something around self empathy.
In this Time for Empathy week, this time round, I'm going to be looking with participants at things that block my ability to be fully present with another person. Those things that prevent me from really connecting with the other and being there with them. And we're going to explore those elements, and then we're going to unwrap kind of what is the beauty in that. So what are the things, why am I blocking? What's making it difficult to listen? And what is that saying about me? And can I slow that down and tease that out a little bit and start finding out what are the gems there? What are parts of me trying to do? And of course, unfortunately, that blocks the connection, but there is an opportunity for connection with myself there. So going to share a little bit about slowing down what happens during the listening process, and then teasing out what's going on and what is the beautiful gift and what's going on there, and how can I open something up in myself as I listen, and start listening to myself in that process as well. So it's a little bit of, on the one hand, having my awareness with the other, and on the other hand, like a chameleon that has one eye this way and one eye that way, you can kind of be there with the other and be present with myself and start noticing what are some of those patterns there, and what is it that I might want to start listening to within me that happens as I'm trying to be present with another. So that's kind of in a nutshell what we're going to be doing in the workshop.
Sounds tempting. I mean, to really get this double perspective and really find, what you say, the gift inside those situations where it doesn't seem like a gift. And then really if you look deeper, then you can explore what's there and have a deeper connection, deeper understanding, deeper awareness. Yes. Thank you so much for proposing this and for being there for Time for Empathy again. And your workshop, the workshop of Sarah, will be on Saturday, right? On Saturday, the 12th of March at 4:30. Yes. So every one of you who wants to participate, you can register at the Empathic Way Europe website. I will post the link somewhere around this video, and I will post also the link to Compassionate Self, so you can directly have contact with Sarah, and follow her work even more. So
thank you, Kari.
Yes, thank you very much.